Hey guys, we got our shipment in from Sky Manufacturing for the Duramax's SAS kit. It's a front spring hanger and shackle mounts, and then we got our Icon Dynamics 4-inch rebent Super Duty lift springs from them for $99.04 Super Duty, and then we also got our order from Bill Stein for the shocks. So we're excited to get all these parts opened up. Let's do it. Alright guys, so we got these are Bill Steins here. It's got this box, Sky Manufacturing. Let's get it opened up. What do you think, Chase?
Heck yeah, let's do it.
Staples, my favorite. Not gonna make it easy. If they didn't staple it, the spring hanger would come bouncing out in the UPS truck.
We got a whole box of packing peanuts.
Peanuts. Okay, here's the spring hanger itself.
Holy moly.
She's big.
Big.
Needs to be though. We're used to the Toyota size stuff.
Not the Dirty Max.
Duramax size. Dirty Max size. Hell yeah. I don't think there's anything else in this box. Nope, nothing in this box. Strackle hanger's supposed to be over there still. Alright, so here's this piece. Sky's off-road design. 1/4-inch plate. How big it is. I'm used to the Toyota size stuff. This is cool to see this. Oh, I see shackles. Here they are. There we go. So there's our shackles. Get them opened up here too. Sure. I can never get it through. There we go. That's all of it. Another bag of hardware here. And our bushings. I'll show you guys. All our bushings to go through. These are what's going to go through the frame rail. These will go on each side of it. For this effect. Bushing will go in there. A piece of hardware will go through. Alright, so now we just got to get open these other boxes. This is for our Icon leaf springs. These are our U-bolts for them that came with them.
Boom.
New U-bolts.
So pretty.
Those are going to turn rusty so quick.
They don't stay pretty for long, folks.
Usually I powder coat mine, and I use leaf springs in the past. Since then I've gone away from the Stone Age and into the future of link systems. Oh man! Oh god, it's got him! Oh, it's a Bilstein snake. Check those out. Let's open them up.
It's empty. Just kidding.
And there you go. Bilsteins you want. 14s. Forget what you call these. What are these? The Bilstein 5125 series? There you go. These ones are 14s. Nothing crazy special. So the nice Bilsteins you want when you run a Bilstein. We're going to use 2 of these on each side. So now we just got to get the other 2 opened up here.
You want to open this one?
Yep, go ahead and pull that one open too. Or actually, just this box here.
Oh,
Yeah, I can just chill there. We got one to look at.
yeah.
What do you think of these, man? I like that machine quality.
Pretty.
It's my favorite part about Bilsteins.
And then stay that nice.
Yeah, and you know, the next stage that we'd usually use for something like this is like, you know, we'd use these, but then you want to do something nicer, we'd use the rad flow components. Rad flow shocks and stuff. But these will be pretty nice since this is a budget build, you know, it's not really a... If it was a lot of money was going into it, trust me, Kaz would link this truck. Alright, you know, with a Cougar House Fab 4-link kit, with a 05 Super Duty axle. Alright, well, looks like we got 3 of our Bilsteins. I'll have to figure out why that Amazon order didn't complete, but that's easy. That's easy to get another Bilstein on the way. But we're not ready for shocks until we get to building the Cougar House Fab shock mounts for it, so we still have to just, you know, mount the spring hanger itself, do the shackle mounts and the springs, and then from there we U-bolt it onto the axle. So, alright guys, awesome. This is pretty exciting. I'm pretty stoked that we got this far with this. You know, not like we got super far, just box opened everything, but everything's here to go on the Duramax, so we can officially get, you know, the spring hanger on it and the shackle mounts on and leaf springs hung, so that's pretty cool. I mean, we're stoked about it. And then, yeah, in our next episode here, guys, we'll get all these parts put on the Duramax. Hope you guys like this video. Leave a comment below. Let us know what you think of the Sky Manufacturing kit, or Sky's Off-Road Design. That's what their Instagram's called. But, you know, when I first met these guys, it was Sky Manufacturing, but they go by both terms. But yeah, so let us know what you think, guys. And remember to hit the bell up there in the corner so you guys get notifications anytime I upload a new video. And thanks for your constant support as always, guys. And if you like what we do, check us out at cougarhousegarage.com. Check us out at Facebook /Cougar House Garage. And we are Cougar House Garage on Instagram, guys. Catch you guys in the next episode.